Hello, beautiful women of all ages, wherever you are, wherever your location. Today we have beautiful short hairstyles that are meant to inspire you to cut off your long hair. As you can see, the women in these videos, or in this particular video, they look absolutely stunning after their haircut. Therefore, this video is meant to inspire, to ignite, and to increase your love for short hair. If you want to look beautiful, you want to look attractive, you want to look very, very classy, from general scope and from what we've seen generally, women with short hair looks much more classier, bolder, more confident, and they make a better fashion statement because they are rocking short hair. The big difference is that if you're rocking short hair with glasses, like you can see this lady, short hair with glasses is a style signature, if I must say that, right? Rocking short hair with glasses is a style signature. To be honest, okay, long hair makes you very feminine, which is okay, but you know, when you're already blessed with some feminine features, you wouldn't want to look weak anywhere you go. So many women decide to opt for short hair to look more confident, more bolder, more sassy, and more fashionable. So this video is to help inspire young ladies, middle class ladies, and older women to rock their hair as short as possible. You can decide to transit from long hair to baldy. It makes no difference. Alright, baldy always goes well with a bigger earring, if you ask me, and tapered, pixie, or toa goes well with glasses, if you ask me. So these beautiful short haircuts are meant to inspire you, as many women are embracing short hair. Okay, if this is your first time discovering this channel, greetings from this side to you. Thank you so much for being here. Give this video a thumbs up and keep it locked, alright, by subscribing, so that every time we make another new video on another style or type of hairstyle, it will inspire you. Alright, so far we have uploaded since over for like 3 years now. We've uploaded over 8,000 plus videos to help inspire you. So please do check out all of our videos if you want to be inspired. Okay, look at this. She looks absolutely gorgeous, and then see that sassy, sexy, and confident look. She's beautiful, I tell you. And this is another one. I'm not a fan of nose earring or piercing and what have you, but these women look absolutely stunning in their short hair. It brings out their confidence, their boldness. They look a little less feminine, so that they don't get trampled upon or derogated one way or the other, but respected even from a distance. And that is what short hair affords you as a woman. Now, short hair is not just for black women, all right? White women too can decide to go low. So whatever your style signature is, pick a style from these selections that we are bringing to you and go low. Okay, you will enjoy your journey. A lot of positive comment have been coming to us. Many women who decided to get that big chop, took a big decision to go low, are very, very happy they did so. Many years after they are still rocking short hair. 15 years, 20 years, 40 years. We have testimonies of many women who are rocking short hair for the longest of time. You want to go short, and you're asking what is the right product for it. Someone said that most of the products that we are mentioning, like the likes of Kings and Coils, the likes of Caro Daughter, the likes of Emilia or MIELLE product, that is actually meant for people who already have soft hair or thin hair. I tell you, no, they are not for people who have soft hair or thin hair. If you have applied any of this product on your hair and you discover that your hair is still virgin-like, is still thick, is still very hard, then I think you missed a procedure. The first procedure to take to get your hair very soft, very flexible before you apply the Coils product is to use a texturizer to soften the texture of your hair. Use a texturizer. One texturizer that comes to my head immediately right now is the olive texturizer. Okay, there are other texturizers in the market that you can use. It mustn't be the olive. You can use any other one, but apply a texturizer and not a relaxer. All right, apply a texturizer to your hair first. Let it soften the hair for a while, for like between 5 minutes or thereabout, and then wash it off. And having washed it off, dry the hair and then apply your coil activator. You are good to go. Anyways, I don't want to talk much. Let me round up my talking at this point and see you in our next upload. Bye bye.